join Stellar Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Stellar Academy has produced Goa's best results in JEE Main 2024. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12.
Of Czmp 2011 in accordance with the CRZ notification 2011 was already notified. Thereafter, the state prevailed upon the NCSM to give us maps in the scale of 1:4000 because the 1:25,000 scale map was not readable and we could not understand anything over there. So when we got the 1:4000 maps, at that time we saw some discrepancies insofar as the buns are concerned. It's because of the state of Goa, a forceful we made a forceful argument over there to ensure that the CRZ line is restricted up to the buns, and that's the reason why on 25th of May 2020 to be precise, the notification was amended. Now when we overlaid the plans on the survey plans of the state of Goa, we noticed certain discrepancies insofar as the buns are concerned, where the STL was progressing towards the landward side and the buns were not as per the buns which are notified by the state of Goa. So we have prevailed upon them. We have the land state department officials have recorrected the entire buns, and when we went to Chennai yesterday, we had a meeting with them. They have agreed that whatever arguments and whatever case we have made is correct, and that they will take some time for re-verifying whatever we have done, and accordingly the changes will happen.